In this video, I'm going to show you how you can verify your GoDaddy domain in Google Search Console. So first, what you want to do is open up GoDaddy, then go to My Products, and here you'll see all of your domains. I'm going to verify this domain here, searchbasedmethod.com. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to Google Search Console. The easiest way to get here is just Google it, Google Search Console. It will then take you to this search page. Click on the first one, it will take you here. Now what you can do, you can click on this drop down menu, click Add Property, and here we can enter in our domain. So go to GoDaddy, copy your domain, then simply paste it in here on the first one, then click Continue. Then it's going to try and verify, but it won't be able to verify because you haven't verified it yet, you haven't done anything. It's going to then give you instructions for GoDaddy, which you can then start verification. Now I think it's going to automatically connect through GoDaddy, so you can see, yep, it is. So we can just click on Connect, and it should then connect. GoDaddy makes it pretty easy. If you want to connect Namecheap or Hostinger, I've got videos on that. I'll leave them in the description. But this should verify in a couple of seconds here. And there you go, ownership verified. That's all you need to do. I hope that video did help you out.